Today I'm going to pick the topic of can you cook in olive oil. I'm going to tell you why I think you can and explain the health benefits. My name's Dominique Ludwig and I'm a nutritionist. So olive oil is my absolute go-to oil in the kitchen. It's dark green colour and it's polyphenols. It has a slightly bitter taste, but that's the good part. The polyphenols taste bitter and they are the antioxidants and the cardioprotective part of the olive oil. So you want to buy extra virgin. So can you cook in it? Well, the research shows that actually you can heat olive oil up to about 207 degrees, which is okay for most frying pans. Now, what you don't want to do is to bring it to a smoke point because that does start to change the nature of the oil itself. But for regular low temperature frying, olive oil is fine. There is some evidence that says that the antioxidants contained in there, the polyphenols, are actually protecting it at the same time. If you want higher temperatures, I would use something like ghee or coconut oil, or you could put a little tiny bit of ghee in with your olive oil and that helps it to reach higher temperatures. Avocado oil is similar to olive oil in that it's a monounsaturated fat, but it doesn't have all the polyphenols, which are the good stuff. So when I'm cooking, I use olive oil. That's my go-to. I use it all the time. I don't think there's any research to say we can't, and I think it's better for your health.